now shift our focus to Jammu and Kashmir, where we have more breaking news coming in. We are learning that LG Manoj Sinha has gone on to take action against 2 government employees. It's a big crackdown on terror sympathizers, 2 government employees who have been terminated from service in the interest of security of the state. In fact, it has been a painstaking investigation by law enforcement agencies and intel inputs against these men that clearly establish terror links, which led to this action by LG Manoj Sinha. Let me cut across to Zeenat joining us on the broadcast. Zeenat, I want to get details from you on these 2 men and what input suggested that LG Manoj Sinha took such action. Also, the strong message that goes out to all terror sympathizers in the valley.
See, this is not the first time when the action has come from the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, taking an action against the terror supporters in the Jammu and Kashmir today. Again, once the 2 employees from the government department have been terminated from the service by the LG administration. They have the links with the terror network Hizbul Mujahideen, who have been responsible not only for the killing of the civilians or the security forces, but also radicalizing the young minds. The 2 individuals who have been terminated from the service. One is from the health department and another is a teacher. So this is again giving a stern message to those supporters who have not only been supporting the terror ranks but also withdrawing their salary from the exchequer, government exchequer. So this is the action that is coming from the Manoj Sinha administration, giving a stern message that nobody will be tolerated who supports terror network. And this is again being shown on ground, because in previous times also we have seen the action on those who have been supporting the terrorists, be it the sons of the Hizbul Mujahideen chief Saeed Salahuddin, who were not only withdrawing the salaries from the government exchequer, from the health or from the agriculture department, but were also supporting the terror network in Jammu and Kashmir. And similarly, the other people who were in the terror business but were also taking the money from the government exchequer and would enjoy the facilities that would come from the government of Jammu and Kashmir. Once again, Manoj Sinha has made it clear that terror will not be tolerated in Jammu and Kashmir, and whosoever will be supporting the terror networks will be initiated against it. Because in the last many years, we have been seeing, in the last more than 3 decades, we have seen the people who have not only enjoyed the government perks and the facilities, but also would support the terror network on ground. They would radicalize the minds. They would support the terrorist activities on the ground, providing the logistics and the other support to the terror network to keep the cycle of violence burning in the Kashmir and also in Jammu. And now we're seeing that again an action is coming from the J&K LG Manoj Sinha, that despite we have the elected government on the ground, but since the home department is lying with the LG Manoj Sinha, so he has the powers to do such things as far as the law and order is concerned, because that has also been very clear from the Prime Minister and the Home Minister of the country that terror network will be busted in Jammu and Kashmir. Now that Prime Minister is also going to address the DG's conference. So that tells you that how the BJP government is working to eliminate the terror network in the entire country. So all the chiefs from the DGP ranks as well as the IGPs, even the 200 participants will be part of this conference through video conferencing. So all this is being done to provide a secure and the safe environment to the people of the country. Once again, an action coming from the LG administration, where he terminated the service of the 2 employees of the government department. One comes from the health and the other from the educational department.
Right. Zeenat, I want to thank you for getting us all those details. And again, like I said, it is the messaging that stands out to all the terror sympathizers in the valley.